Meaning of garlic.
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 Garlic. Garlic is a pungent bulbous vegetable native to Central Asia and widely used in cooking and medicine. With its distinctive flavor and aroma, garlic is an essential ingredient in many cuisines around the world, including Italian, Chinese, and Indian. It has known health benefits such as boosting the immune system, reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure, and fighting off infections. The compound responsible is allicin, which contains sulfur and gives garlic its characteristic smell. Garlic can be consumed raw or cooked and is available in various forms, including powder, oil, and supplements.